In the first 7 seconds, people decide if they trust you. Over 80% of that decision is based on what they see, not what you say. A study shows people judge if you are confident or weak in just 0.1 seconds. It's faster than a blink. Harvard research says 2 things shape first impression: warmth and competence. Your body shows both before your voice ever gets a chance. UCLA found only 7% of the communication is words. The rest 93% is your tone, your posture, your gestures. And that is why presence matters more than speaking perfectly. Watch how top leaders enter the room. They move with calm, they pause, they look around. They do not rush, they don't visit, they own the space before they speak. 3 things to do before you enter any room. 1. Pause, take a deep breath. 2. Stand tall, shoulders relaxed, head up. 3. Look slowly, make eye contact, no smile needed. That 5-second entry sets the tone and people feel it. Your calm body calms the room. It's called mirror neurons. People copy the emotion you show. Great leaders use it. Use this body language. Hands visible, not in pockets. Eye contact for 3 to 5 seconds. Feet flat and steady. Movements slow and smooth. Avoid this tapping or fidgeting, looking down while talking, over smiling to seek approval, hunched or closed body. Here is what the science shows. Your brain watches the body cues first. If you look unsure, people will doubt you even if your words are perfect. Want to look confident? Start with your stance. Top speakers do this. Anchored stance, feet shoulder width apart. Simple gestures, match your hands to your words. Pause often, let your message land. Research says people remember you more if your body matches your words. It makes your message believable. Bonus tip, try the triangle gaze. Look at one eye, then the other, then the mouth. Repeat. This keeps you focused and connected without being intense. Let's be honest, hard work alone does not get you noticed. You could be doing great work, meeting deadlines, even exceeding targets, but still ignored when the time comes for promotion. I can feel your frustration. That is why I have created a live 4 weeks online program to master your executive presence. In just 4 weeks, you will learn to speak with clarity and confidence, the art and science of communication, how to command any room, how to influence stakeholders, and how to build trust. This is not a pre-recorded course, it's completely live interacting for working professionals like you. You will learn, practice, and get direct feedback from me, and in just 4 weeks you will start noticing the shift and people would start listening when you talk. If you're ready to start showing up like a leader, click the I button on the top, check the details and grab the seat. Seats are limited. Let's build presence together and I'll see you in the class. Yes, different cultures has different styles. In India, calm and humility matters. In the US, openness and space helps. In Japan, restraint shows respect. But no matter where you are, these 3 body signals always matter. Number 1, calm energy. Number 2, body matching your message. Number 3, taking space without rushing. Leaders adjust to culture but never fake who they are. Here is the move I promised. Walk into the room, stop, stand still, look at someone, say nothing for 3 seconds. That's it. That quiet moment says, I'm here, I belong. The best leaders speak before they speak with presence. Want more videos like this? Subscribe now. We build executive presence 1 video at a time.